Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a PowerPoint trick in less than 1 minute. Just click on your PowerPoint, go to Insert tool, click on Table, select a table of 6 by 5. Enlarge your table to adjust with the page. Now click on a pen color, select white, go on a shading tab, select no fill, then go to borders, select inside border. Now go to insert and select your image. Click on picture and select your image from the computer. Adjust your image with the page. Now right click on the image and click on send to back. Now simply you just have to select the boxes, go to shape fill, select white. Do it multiple times. Now add the text whatever you want. Follow us for more videos. Subscribe our channel.